welcome back to my channel. I am in my shed and this wall right here is going to be my sticker wall. So today I'm going to paint it white and I'm going to get the stickers up and I cannot wait. I don't think I have many. I thought I had hundreds, but I'm missing quite a few. So if you don't see your sticker go up, make sure you send me yours and let's go! I've got all my stickers here and I've just printed this off, my logo, which is gonna go kind of like in the middle, and then all the stickers are gonna go around it. So that's the first job, to get that up. I'm gonna Mod Podge this on because it's not a sticker, it's just paper. Okay, first one, because I'm in Essex. Yay! And that is it. You know, you know when you think you've got like 500 stickers and then you've got enough to fill this space. So I need more, please, so I can get this whole top one done. But yeah, absolutely, like, love every single one of them. They're so creative. And I think, Rich, you win, because I think you've got 3 up here. So you've got this one and this one and this one. And yeah, I absolutely love them all. So thank you to each and every one of you that have sent me stickers on a sticker swap. If we've done a sticker swap and I didn't send mine, please let me know, because I know a few months back I was crazy busy and I couldn't keep up. So if anyone sees their sticker here and you didn't get one back from me, just let me know and I will get it in the post. I think I owe you a sticker. Not 100% sure, but yeah, thanks again for watching. And I know I've got some missing. Dale, Maple Tree Studios, I'm pretty sure if you've got a sticker, I would have got a sticker from you because we met last year. So I'm not sure where that is. I'm gonna look. But anyway, for everyone else, thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and I cannot wait to fill this up. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.